There's a couple things I hate. Here's one of them. When I'm really thirsty and I drink a soda, I'd like to not hiccup. I hate that. Like, I hate hiccuping. You know? I get that soda, I'm like, oh my god, it's so good. 2 seconds down the road, I'm like, here it comes. Oh god, here it comes. Hiccup. The day I can drink one drink without hiccuping from soda will be the day, well, just be like a normal day probably, you know, probably just be like a normal day, just be a good day. It'd be like one of those days, just a really good day, you know, like a really good day, okay? I'm talking like perfect.